Can you imagine the Bible without miracles? What if Peter didn't meet the angel? If Paul and Silas didn't get a breakthrough? If Eutychus never woke up? Can you imagine your world with them? A world without miracles is a world without hope. But we don't live in that world because the God of miracles still moves through prisons, through breakthroughs, and through the impossible. The supernatural still lives. We are the miracle culture. Check out our full series at the Restoration Place YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe.